To change the background color of a cell or several cells, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to change the background color of the table headers shown on the screen. First, I select the table headers. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse, and from the floating menu, I select the option Format Cells. Third, I click the tab Fill. Fourth, from the background color area, I choose the color yellow. Finally, I click OK. As a result, the background color of the table headers would change to yellow. You can also change the color of a cell background by using the Home tab Fill Color button. To do this, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's try these steps to change the background color of the table headers shown on the screen. I first select all the table headers. Second, I select the Home menu. Third, I click the Fill Color drop-down list. Fourth, I choose the color blue. As you can see, the background color of the table headers would change to blue.